Not all AI is the same. There are traditional machine learning models and there are large language models. They solve very different problems. By the end of this video, you will know which is which, where each one shines, and why it matters for you. Traditional machine learning models are trained to do one specific job. You feed them labeled data, they learn a pattern, and they make predictions. A spam filter learns what spam looks like. A loan approval model learns who repays loans. Each model is narrow. It does one thing and it does it well. Think of it like a specialist doctor. A cardiologist is brilliant at heart problems, but you would not ask them to fix your broken leg. Large language models, or LLMs, are a completely different beast. They are trained on massive amounts of text from the internet, books, and code. This gives them a broad, general understanding of language and knowledge. An LLM can write an email, summarize a report, answer a question, or translate a sentence, all with the same model. Think of an LLM like a brilliant generalist, one person who can help with almost anything you throw at them. Here is where it gets clear. Traditional ML models need structured data. Think rows and columns, numbers and categories. LLMs work with unstructured data, plain text, conversations, documents. Traditional models are fast, cheap, and highly accurate for their specific task. LLMs are flexible and powerful, but they cost more to run. Neither is better overall. The right tool depends entirely on the problem you are solving. Let us put this visually. On the left, a traditional ML model takes structured input, runs it through a trained algorithm, and outputs a single prediction. On the right, an LLM takes free form text, processes it through a massive neural network, and outputs flexible, human like responses. Same broad category of AI, very different design and purpose. So, how do you pick the right one? First, look at your data. Is it structured like a spreadsheet? Traditional ML wins. Second, look at your task. Is it a single, well defined prediction? Again, traditional ML. Third, check if language is involved. Writing, summarizing, answering questions. That is where LLMs shine. Fourth, consider your budget. LLMs cost more to run at scale. Fifth, think about accuracy needs. For critical narrow tasks like fraud detection, a focused ML model often beats an LLM. Let us wrap this up. Traditional ML models are trained to do one specific job with structured data, fast, cheap, and accurate. LLMs are trained on massive amounts of text, giving them broad, general understanding of language. Neither is universally better. The right tool depends entirely on the problem you are solving. When language and flexibility matter, reach for an LLM. When precision and structure matter, a traditional ML model wins every time.